All right. So, do you keep plants at home? Answer again.
At home, I usually put some the mud into the
Pots.
pots and put some plants in it, and the I really love to grow plants because this is my hobby.
All right. Very good answer. Keep it up like this. What plant did you grow when you were younger?
When I was at the age of 5, growing some.
Grew
I usually grew some plants like fruit,
fruit plants.
fruit plant like bananas, mangoes, because these fruits is my favorite.
These
So
fruits were my favorite.
were my favorite. So I usually this
Yeah. So, in my
I grew
childhood, I used to
you
grow
grew
fruit
these fruit
plants.
plants.
Good. Do you know anything about growing a plant?
Yes, I don't have no uh, I don't know about plants, but I know about my gardener. They are also they were also to grow
Yeah, they are expert in
that they
that. They
export
know how to grow the
how to
plants.
grow plant.
I don't have great knowledge about it, but my gardeners, they know better. Do people in your country like to grow plant? No. Do people in your country like to give plants as a gift?
Yes, I know. This is a no. You know, plants is a basic necessity of our life. So this is a very good hobby to gift someone, and this is a really good because plants because plants uh, uh,
Because plants are very
are
important.
very
They give us
important to
oxygen. So
give
that is why
oxygen and carbon
people in
dioxide.
my country often give plants as a
Plants
gift.
with
Pura gamla hi chuk ke le jo. All right. Yes, please. Dream job. Let's take a start. What was the dream job for you when you were a child?
Actually, when I was a child,
I wanted to be.
I wanted to be a pilot, GD pilot. I
Good.
want to go for Air Force, and whenever I see on
I
the sky,
used to see.
whenever I used to see on the sky, I fell in love F-16s. Like
I
whenever
fell in love with F-16.
I fell in love with F-16,
All right. So when I was
whenever event 6 September event came, I request to
this
my
answer is getting longer for part one. You will be interrupted by the examiner.
yes.
So just try to keep it to this. What was your dream job? When I was small, I wanted to become a pilot. Whenever I saw